Now, here fifth example in exercise 1.1 is assume that f dash of 3 equal to -1, g dash of 2 equal to 5, g of 2 equal to 3, this is given values, and function is y equal to f of g of x, and we have to calculate dy by dx at x equal to 2. Now we will see the solution for this example. First we have to write here given information is f dash of 3 equal to -1, g dash of 2 equal to 5, and g of 2 equal to 3. Now here, what is formula for function? Y equal to f of g of x. Now we want to calculate derivative of this formula. First we want to calculate derivative of this formula. Therefore, value of derivative is formula for we have to differentiate this formula. We get dy by dx as we have to first differentiate f function. Value of f is f dash. Therefore, we get f dash of g of x into d by dx of g of x. We have to use formula for composite function. Therefore, we get f dash of g of x as it is first term. Derivative of g of x is g dash of x. This is formula for dy by dx. Now, which value we want to calculate? We want to calculate value of dy by dx at x equal to 2. Therefore, dy by dx when x equal to 2 equal to f dash of, we have to replace x by 2 in this formula. Therefore, we get g of 2 and into g dash of 2. Now, here in given value, here is value of g of 2. Value of g of 2 is 3 and value of g dash of 2 is also given. Therefore, we get f dash of value of g of 2 is 3 and value of g dash of 2 is 5, because reason for this changes will be given. Nextly, we have to calculate value of f dash of 3. This is also given. F dash of 3 is -1 into 5. -1 into 5 is -5. Therefore, required value of dy by dx at x equal to 2 is -5. This is our solution of fifth example. Sixth example in exercise 1.1. If h of x equal to root 4 into f of x plus 3 into g of x, their function values are given. F of 1 equal to 4, g of 1 is 3, f dash of 1 3, g dash of 1 is 4. We want to find h dash of 1. For this purpose, here first we have to write given values. What are given values? Given values are f of 1 equal to 4, g of 1 equal to 3, f dash of 1 equal to 3, g dash of 1 equal to 4. Now, here formula for h of x equal to square root 4 into f of x plus 3 into g of x. Now, to find h dash of 1, first we have to calculate the value of h dash of x. We have to differentiate this formula with respect to x. Value of h dash of x is, what is derivative of this formula? We have to use the formula root f of x. What is formula for root f of x? Formula for root f of x is 1 divided by 2 root f of x into f dash of x. Using this formula, here our expression becomes 1 divided by 2 root. Expression in root sign as it is 4f of x plus 3g of x. Again, we have to find derivative in expression in root sign 4f of x plus 3g of x. Now, here derivative of f of x, 4 constant as it is, derivative of f of x is f dash of x. Again, 3 constant as it is, derivative of g of x is g dash of x divided by 2 into square root 4 into f of x plus 3 into g of x. This is formula for h dash of x. Now by using this formula we have to calculate the value of h dash of 1. H dash of 1. Therefore when x equal to 1, we get h dash of 1 as 4 into f dash of 1 plus 3 into g dash of 1 divided by 2 into square root 4 into f of 1 plus 3 into g of 1. Now to calculate the value of this h dash of 1, h dash of 1, therefore h dash of 1 equal to we get we have to substitute here f dash of 1, g dash of 1, f of 1 and g of 1 by using given values. Value of first we have to substitute value of f dash of 1. What is value of f dash of 1? Value of f dash of 1 is 3. Therefore numerator term becomes 4 into f dash of 1 is 3 plus 3 into value of g dash of 1 is 4, 3 into 4 divided by 2 into in root sign 4 into value of f of 1 is 4, value of g of 1 is 3 into 3. Therefore this is first value. Therefore value of here consider in numerator term is h dash of 1 equal to 4 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4 divided by 2 into in root sign 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3. Now here 4 into 3 is 12 plus 4 into 3 is 12 divided by 2 into in root sign 16 plus 9. Therefore 12 plus 12 24 divided by 2 into in root sign 24 2 into in root sign 25. Therefore we get 24 divided by square root of 25 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. Therefore after taking division we get 12 divided by 5. This is value of h dash of 1. This value of h dash of 1 is solution for this example. Now second example is find the x coordinates of all the points on the curve y equal to sin 2x minus 2 sin x. Their domain for x is 0 less than equal to x less than twice pi when dy by dx equal to 0. Here formula for y is sin 2x minus 2 sin x. Your domain is 0 less than equal to x less than twice pi. Now firstly we have to differentiate this formula with respect to x. Therefore we get dy by dx equal to 2 cos 2x minus 2 cos x. Derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x, and again we have to differentiate 2x angle. Derivative of 2x is 2 minus 2x is derivative of sin x is cos x. Now we have to convert this whole function in cos x. Therefore we have to replace cos 2x into cos x by using the formula. Here we get cos 2x. Formula for cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. This is formula for cos 2x. We have to substitute this formula here. Therefore we get 2 into in bracket 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos x as it is. Using this formula our conversion becomes like this. Therefore our expression becomes 4 cos square x minus 2 cos x, and lastly constant term is 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. This is value for dy by dx. Now here what is given? Value of dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore by using these equations we have to equate 4 cos square x minus 2 cos x minus 2 equal to 0. We have to equate this expression. Now here we have to convert this formula into, we have to factorize this expression by dividing 2. This equation becomes 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1 equal to 0. So I have to factorize this expression like quadratic equation. This is quadratic in terms of cos x. Therefore we have to factorize 2 into 1 2 factors of 2 whose subtraction is minus 1. That is, we get 2 cos square x. What are factors of 2 whose subtraction is minus 1, minus 2 and plus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 cos x plus cos x minus 1 equal to 0. These are factorization. Minus 2 cos x plus cos x factorization. 2 into 1 1 2. So I have to factorize minus 2 whose subtraction is minus 1. That is minus 2 and plus 1. Therefore we have to take common 2 into cos x. 2 into cos x is, we have to take common in first two terms 2 cos x, or first term becomes cos x minus 1 plus 1 into cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore here we get cos x minus 1 in first bracket, in second bracket 2 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. This is factorization of given expression. Now here we have to equate these two brackets to 0. To find main solution, we have to write here cos x minus 1 equal to 0, or 2 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore we get here cos x equal to 1, or cos x equal to, second value we get minus 1 divided by 2x equal to minus 1 and cos x equal to minus 1. Now here, for which angle cosine value is 1? For 0 angle cosine value is 1. Therefore we get cos x equal to cos 0, or cos x equal to minus, for which angle this value is 1 by 2, cosine value is cos 5 by 3. Cos 5 by 3. Now negative value for cosine, in which quadrant cosine value is negative? In first quadrant all trigonometric terms are positive, in second sin cosec are positive, in third tan cot are positive, and in last column cos and sec are positive. Therefore in second and third column, in second quadrant and third column, in third quadrant cosine value is negative. Therefore we have to write here as cos x equal to cos 0, or cos x equal to cos of pi minus pi by 3 in second quadrant, which is equal to cos of, which angle you get? 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. Or again here this formula, this equation can be written in two forms: cos x equal to cos of pi minus pi by 3 and cos x equal to cos of, in third quadrant again cosine term is negative, therefore we write here pi plus pi by 3. Which angle we get? 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi divided by 3. Therefore we get cos x equal to cos 0, or cos x equal to, second angle we get cos 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, or last angle we get cos x equal to cos of 4 pi by 3. Therefore we get x equal to 0, or x equal to 2 pi by 3, or x equal to 4 pi by 3. This is our values of x in all four quadrants, 0 less than equal to x, less than twice 4. This is final answer. This is the complete solution.